What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Octavia.Darling. If you're new here, I create content related to my locks, lifestyle, health, and fitness journey. So before we hop into this video, go ahead and give your girl a like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so that you can join this community of like-minded women. Okay, y'all, I have a special guest. This is my girl, Whitney.
Hey, guys.
We are in St. Croix. I'm at her house right now, and she's gonna do a very cute lock updo style. And this video is not like really a tutorial. I guess it is if you've never seen, one of my videos of me doing this style, but just sit back, relax, and check it out and watch her go to work. You know, I have a lot of locks. Do you know how many locks I have?
It looks like you have 105. Random number as hell, but
127.
Hey.
Why did I do that?
Who started your locks? You?
Yeah.
Hey, why did you do that?
I didn't want them to be super big, and I didn't want them to be small.
Like sister locks?
Yeah, I didn't want them to be super big or super small. Like sister locks, I wanted them to be like,
They're the perfect size.
Medium. Thank you. I actually had a couple more, but in the beginning of my journey, I ended up joining a couple because they were too thin around my edges, and I didn't want my edges to be thinning over time, So I probably would have had like.
You conditioning your locks since you're using
the color.
The color.
Do I condition it a lot?
Yeah, like to restore the moisture in it.
I do rose water a lot.
Day?
Just about, yeah. Rose water, and then castor oil on my scalp, and this Locklicious growth oil. I accidentally used the wrong color on my like actual locks opposed to what I used on my roots, so I kind of flipped it. That's good. Yep, I flipped it on accident.
Oh.
So when
so you did get the two right colors just in the wrong sequence.
Yeah, because when I have wash my hair, I'm like, wait, Mom, does my hair look too bright? What's going on? She's like, oh no, it's so beautiful.
It looks really nice though. It blended.
Thank you, girl.
It blended really well.
I appreciate it.
And they're growing, they're flourishing. That's the word I want to use.
Thank you, girl.
Ooh, you basically a Virgin Islander.
I ain't. Y'all hear that?
Yeah, she's been around us long enough.
I've been around for over a decade.
Damn, girl.
I'm an honorary Virgin Islander.
Old as hell.
I know, girl. Wow.
You've been through the trenches with us.
I really done been through the trenches for real, child.
It's slack. It's too slack. You want to tighten than that?
No, that's actually perfect. It's not too tight.
Sure.
Yes. And you'll yeah, I was gonna say you'll pull it too. So.
Right.
Like I wanted to like cover this area. Yeah.
Okay.
So when I sleep, I'm not like really laying on it like that.
You want it bigger than this? Look. It's going to fall out as I
How you think it look? Well, I'm going to let you do your thing. Because I know I have a lot of locks. So.
Yeah, I'm going to stop it. I just put it back here because you won't want it to fall on your back.
Yeah, that's fine. I know it'll get bigger up here as it sits. Like more of an awakening to where I'm learning more of what I actually like. Opposed to me just doing things because it's likable.
Yep, that's where I'm at.
Yeah. You like your solitude.
Yeah. My peace matters more.
Yeah.
And Clubhouse, actually, and that was my good in COVID. My good in COVID was basically like, I was able to identify my joys, my happiness, things I'm willing to accept or not accept. And in the same concept, it would be like, at the end of the day, I could be by myself and still have a grand time.
Yes.
I don't need to be around people. I don't need to be around everybody's energies. Learn that my energy was transferable.
Yes.
And I absorb people's energies. So
yes.
it was a lot of different things I identified, and now it's like, yo, I could stay home. I could do my own thing and be okay.
And you know what? To add to what you're saying, see me, I've always enjoyed just like being to myself, just because that's just my makeup, right? But then it was a point where I would be to myself too much to where it would feel like I'm lonely.
Depression.
Yeah. And
you're mentally depressing yourself.
Correct. Like I would tell myself, oh, you're lonely, when in reality it's not that I'm lonely. I'm at peace.
You don't need nobody.
I don't need anybody I don't need things to make me happy. Like I am very happy with myself, and anything or anyone additional to that just adds to my happiness.
It just sprinkles the razzle dazzle.
Yeah, I don't have to rely on it.
Yeah.
A little razzle dazzle.
A razzle dazzle. I'm gonna copyright that.
Oh my god.
I'm definitely gonna put a copyright on that.
Y'all heard that? Copyright.
Wow.
She is moving with these petals, y'all. For real, for real. I'm looking at a mirror over here, so y'all see me glancing. I'm just watching how quickly the petals are just appearing. Because it hasn't been, not even 20 minutes. Maybe 15. See, if I was doing this myself, y'all, I would have been overthinking it probably, because I would want them all to be a certain height.
No, that's the fun of petals. You shape it after to get like the form of it.
Okay.
So the most, like, once you get the petals, I could shape it into whatever we want it to be, because they could move around different ways. You see?
And when you do the petals, do you fold the entire locks? And
I do it 2 different ways, depends on the length of the lock. So sometimes I would do it I would fold it in quarters. So I'll do half the lock, rubber band it, and then do the ending piece of it. Or sometimes I'll do like 2, so a full loop, rubber band the bottom, and then fold it again.
Okay. Yeah, and we're back. We had technical difficulties. We had technical difficulties. Wait, how'd it go? Okay, forget it.
How would it go like we had make up a song before? We didn't even have the song before today. So
well, no, this is a trend on TikTok.
Oh, I don't be on TikTok like that.
I do.
Sorry. I probably gonna see it now that you mentioned it. They be minding my
they be listening. Yeah. You think I should 2-strand twist my braid? Or leave it straight?
No, do it.
I feel like doing bangs like this frames my face very well.
It fits your face.
Yeah.
Definitely your thing.
One day I want to try to do the lock knot bangs.
That would be beautiful on you, T.
I want to do it. I tried to do it. Girl, I tried to do it one day. Them things was sticking out like this in the front. I was like, no.
You twisted it around with it. You probably got it, but you just...
I twisted it, but the ends wasn't going down. You know what I mean? It wasn't cuffing.
It's how you fold it. It's just like you're doing 2-strand twist band 2 knots. Just shorter.
Yeah. I don't know if I didn't have enough hair, you know what I'm saying, out in the front. I don't know. It just wasn't working. But the next style, girl, maybe for my birthday, you can do it for me.
Yeah, you can do it.
Okay, girl. y'all see how I just secured my next appointment. I love having Whitney as a friend, not just because she's an amazing person, but thank you, girl. We've been locked in for more than a decade. But also because she's multi-faceted, multi-talented. I was telling my mom this about you the other day. I was like, Mom, do you know that Whitney is the one who taught me how to do makeup? I was like, she taught me so many things about being a woman. When I was in college, Whitney was that friend. Like, she just taught me so much. My makeup.
Did your makeup session for Carnival?
She beat my face for carnival, y'all. I'm gonna see if I can insert that picture here. I'm gonna insert it. She had my face beat for carnival. You hear me?
We had time, girl.
We had some moments, girl.
Let's go back.
I know. Why did time have to move so fast?
It was so crazy. Now everybody don't have time for each other.
We're making time.
Yes,
now.
Collectively, we've been doing great.
It's because we are moving at our own beat, but for good reasons.
Yeah.
And it's like we're thriving in our own aspects of life. But now we're at a place where we can say, yeah, I'm gonna show up for that because I can.
I have time. I can do
I
it.
love that for us. So.
Nice.
Oh, this is so cute. What do you guys think about this style? Give me a thumbs up if you're feeling it. If you're not, keep your comments to yourself. Okay, how about that? Keep that energy over there. No, for real though, she hooked this up, and y'all, I'm telling you, this did not take long at all, and it's cute, it's convenient, it's not tight at all, and I like it. I can't wait to do my makeup and get extra pretty tonight because we're going out.
Round 2.
So round 2, y'all. Last night we had a time.
We had a time.
See, this is why you gotta follow me on all social media platforms. Make sure you follow me just by searching Octavia.Darling. I know that I'll pop up. Follow me so you can keep up with my lifestyle, okay? For what I show, I should say. But oh, this is so cute. I love it. I absolutely love it. Oh my God. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna end the video right here. As always, thank you so much for supporting me and for watching my videos. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget,
thank you guys for watching.
Yes, thank you for watching, and I'm glad y'all got to meet Whitney. Don't forget, we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so make sure that you subscribe, turn on post notifications, and don't forget, once we reach 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a giveaway, so you could be the lucky winner, okay? But as always, make sure you give me a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll check y'all in the next video. Bye.